lot of the supermarket bread we buy is made from commercial grain that has been bred to grow higher and stronger at the expense of taste and nutrients, which baker Nick Ambliotis of Mediterra Bakehouse says has given rise to the use of heritage grains in artisanal bread.
Heritage grains are grains that are passed down from generation to generation. They're non-hybrided, they're not touched. They basically are full of more nutrients, antioxidants.
Nick has a list of why you'll want to give these old world grains a try, the first being they're easier on your digestive system.
Heritage grain is easier to digest because we keep all of the natural nutrients in the grain. We're stone milling it, so we're leaving everything in.
He says breads with commercial yeast can cause our digestive system to expand and contract, which is not the case with heritage grain.
It produces an acid in it that is kind of like a probiotic that is great for gut health. It acts as almost like medicine to your gut.
Rising to our second spot is the old world baking process, which yields fantastic taste.
It's totally old world, very traditional. We're using heritage and ancient grains, using cold water, no yeast, slow fermentation. It's a craft that's pretty much gone. The taste, you'll see it's caramely and it has a beautiful color. It's something that's really special.
If you want to taste a slice of the old world, simply ask your grocer or health food store for heritage or ancient grain bread. We'll slice into our last fact on heritage grain bread. It lasts longer, naturally.
The bread really does not go bad because there's nothing artificial in it. There's no preservatives. There's no added yeast. You'll be able to enjoy that loaf of bread for a week.
From the fields to the table, that's our look at heritage grain.